In this video today I'll show you how you can earn some extra income very easily and for absolutely free. I'll give you multiple apps that pay you in PayPal money and are available for both iOS and Android devices. If you're interested, make sure to keep watching till the end of this video so you can get every instruction right. But just before we start, make sure that if you haven't already, to subscribe to our channel Aiden and Mia's World with notifications on, so you're going to get notified each time we upload a brand new video and you can be one of the first to use it and maybe make the most money. If you love this type of content, then also give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below if you have any question or opinion. With all of that said, let's now start with this tutorial so I can show you everything. So your very first step is to come over to the first app for today. I'm going to give you multiple ones, so make sure to keep watching till the end because you can get easily lost and confused. The very first one is called MoneyApp. As you can see from the name, you can make money online by doing some simple offers and you can download it on App Store or Google Play Store, so you can even make it work with your smartphone device. If you want to know how it works, you can go over to the How It Works section. You can see here that you can complete different tasks like watching videos, sharing, completing surveys, and many more. So you can find all of the tasks once you download the app for absolutely free. Once you reach the minimum threshold, you'll be able to request your payment and you're going to get paid through PayPal, which is pretty awesome actually. And also payouts take around 48 hours and are paid directly to your account. So they're going to notify you once the payout is completed so you can enjoy your money. You're going to see down here that MoneyApp has been around since 2015, so it's been around for quite some time now, and this shows that this is a legit platform. You can also check it out at App Store or Google Play Store. Here at App Store you're going to see that it has 4.9 stars reviews out of 5, which is pretty awesome actually. It shows that this is a great app and people are loving it, and also it got more than 133,000 of ratings. So this is a powerful platform that can make you a lot of money, so you can check it out on Google Play Store or App Store. Let's proceed with the second platform for today, which is a little bit different from this one, and it's called Dosh. This is over at dosh.com. I'm at their official website right now, but you can check it out here that you can download it on App Store or Google Play Store, just like I promised you at the beginning of this video. You're going to see here what this platform is about. So you're going to get automatic cash back at thousands of places when you shop, dine or book hotels. No coupons or receipt scanning. So once you're going to shop online, you're going to get some cash back. So as you can see, this person has got like $2.64 from Sephora and so on. It's going to work like this. You're going to just download the app and you're going to check if your favorite way to pay offers a cashback experience powered by Dosh. Then you're going to shop at the online stores or stores in general. You're going to then get cash back into your wallet automatically, and once you accumulate like $25, you can transfer them to your bank account, PayPal or Venmo account, or you can even donate them for charity, which is pretty awesome. You're going to see here some of the best brands that they offer, like Walmart, Pizza Hut, ASOS, and so on and so forth. You can see that there are over 10,000 of places to get cash back, and this is pretty awesome actually. So something important to mention is that they are very serious about security and protecting you, so you don't need to worry about anything. They don't sell your data, they don't store your card, and the Dash, this platform is secure, so don't worry about that. You can also check the reviews at App Store and Google Play Store. You're going to see over at the App Store that it got like more than 125,000 of ratings with 4.7 stars, which is pretty awesome actually, pretty good reviews. And also here at Google Play Store it got like more than 44,000 of reviews with 4.5 stars. So this was the second platform for today that I wanted to show you. Let's proceed with the third one, but before that I want to remind you to subscribe once again to our channel and also to leave a thumbs up to this video if you are enjoying it. So let's proceed with the third platform for today, which is called SwagBucks. This is over at SwagBucks.com. This is your typical make money online platform. You're going to complete some tasks and you're going to get paid. As you can see down here, this platform has been seen on BuzzFeed, The Penny Hoarder, ABC, and so on. So this is a very known platform and also legit one. You can get free gift cards and cash for the things that you do online. You can earn points that you can of course redeem for money. You're going to watch entertaining videos, you can shop online, you can search the web, answer surveys, and find great deals in order to earn points. Then you can redeem those points for gift cards to your favorite retailers like Amazon, Walmart, or you can even get cash back from PayPal. You're going to notice here that they have paid out to their members more than $668 million actually, which is crazy, and they give out 7,000 of free gift cards every day. If you scroll down, you can also check out the reviews from Trustpilot. They have more than 25,000 of reviews and a score of 4.3 stars, which is pretty awesome. So in order to get started with this platform, all you need to do is to join for absolutely free here at SwagBucks.com. You're going to just put your email address, a password, confirm the password, or you can then sign up with your Google account or Facebook account, which is a lot easier and a lot faster because it just requires one click of a button. So this was the third platform for today. I have another one for you, so let's proceed to it. This is also the last one. This is called AppFlame, play and earn. So as you can guess from the name, you're going to play here, play games and earn. They got a lot of reviews, actually a lot of downloads, like 210, more than 210,000 of downloads, and also 4.2 stars review. So it's a little bit lower than the other ones, but still it is a good one that can get you paid by just playing games, which is one of the easiest but also the funniest ways to get money online. As you can see, play games for free to make money. You're going to win real gift cards, but as you can see, you can also get paid in PayPal money, and this is pretty awesome actually. They pay you for your time playing. You can check out the reviews if you want to down here. You're going to see that you can earn money just by playing your favorite game. You're going to earn extra money, and you can get money directly to your PayPal account, or you can redeem the points that you are going to accumulate for a gift card. So it depends on you on how you want to get paid. So you see they offer you free apps, so you're going to play those games for absolutely free, so don't worry about that. All of these apps that I showed you today are for absolutely free and also pay you in PayPal money, which is pretty awesome. You can combine all of them if you want to in order to make the most money. With that said, guys, this is it for today's video, and if you liked it, don't forget to give a thumbs up to it. Also leave a comment down below and let me know which one of this app is your favorite one, and also subscribe to our channel Aiden and Mia's World. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.